Good morning, our fellow learners and our fellow followers. That's a question involving indices again. 5 to the power x plus 5 to the power x plus 1 equals 150. We are asked to find the value of x. Let's jump straight into it. So I have 5x plus 5x plus 1 equals 150. From here, I can write this as 5x plus 5x times 5 to the power 1. That is, this is being expressed as this equals 150, which I can rewrite this as 5x plus 5 to the power x multiplied by 5 to the power 1 equals 150. Now there's 5x here, there's 5x. I can factorize that out. That is going to give us 5x out, left with 1 here, plus 5 to the power 1, which is 5, is equal to 150. Now 1 plus 5 will give us 6. So 6 multiplied by 5x is equal to 150. Can divide both sides by 6 by 6. 5 to the power x is equal to 6 goes here. How many times? 25 times. Now 25 can be expressed as an index to be 5 to the power 2. And then here you can say that x is equal to 2 since the bases are equal. You can do the test here. That is, if I have 5 to the power 2 plus 5 to the power 2 plus 1, is it going to give us the 150? 5 to the power 2 is 25 plus 2 plus 1 is 3. 5 to the power 3 is 125, and that will give us 150.